goodness. I need to think of a video to do. I know what to do. Playing games with my dog. Okay, so let's get set up. Got that there. Yeah. And we should just do the classic game. Yeah, not too complicated. Yes. No. It's too mainstream. I need to think of something better. It's hit me. What if I do a playing games with my dog, but filming on the device that I first filmed the first playing games with my dog on, and this isn't a suitable environment? Perfect. Hey guys, how you doing? King Superman here. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing some more playing games with my dog, but in the classic way I used to, the old beginning spot and filming on the new 3DS XL. So here we have Poppy, recently been groomed, and let's get started. Alright guys, so we are all ready. Poppy, start in 3, 2, 1, go. Just like the old days, isn't it, Poppy? And guys, please drop a like and a subscribe on this channel, because it would really help me out. And I really want to get to 100k. Or maybe not even 100k. I meant 100. I'd never get to 100k. But I really want to get to 100 subscribers. Maybe 200, because then I'll buy a Nokia. And she's already done. 50 seconds. That's your best time yet, Poppy. That's your best time yet. Alright guys, so we're going to set up for round 2. Alright guys, so we're ready for round 2. Start in 3, 2, 1, go. She's doing good. I think she's sussed it how to do it. It wasn't as good when we first did this series. I put in some bigger treats this time. There you go. Just like the old days, guys. This little corner and a 3DS. We got one more right here. Oh, you got one there as well. Oh, one. There you go. 1 minute 16 on that one. Pretty good time. Let's take a screenshot. And now we are going to do for the final round. Alright guys, so we're set up for the final round. I'm going to throw one of them over there for her to get, and I'm going to hide this one, so go over there, Poppy. And now I'm going to hide it behind there. So it'll be there. Alright, go find the treat. Go on. There you go. That is a very good girl. Alright, so we're going to have a look at the times that she's done today. So let me load up these times. So we got a best time yet on the first round and 1 minute 16 on the other round, which is pretty dang good. Alright guys, so I'm going to end the video here. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.